Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by verifying model and Android version, because firmware behavior differs between phones. Once done, make sure the battery is above 30% and connect to Wi-Fi so updates and verifications complete without interruption. Next, backup photos or documents, then sign in to your Vivo account or confirm the registered phone number. This is required for password reset flows and account recovery. Start settings and open security or privacy password options to begin the reset procedure now. You now move into the main reset steps. Open settings, go to security or privacy, then select privacy password. If you see forgot password, tap it and choose verification by Vivo account login or SMS code. That proves ownership and unlocks reset permissions. Use fingerprint or face unlock when offered, because biometric verification streamlines the process and avoids factory reset. After verification, create a new strong privacy password and confirm it twice. This saves the change and re-secures your private folder. Finish by testing the new privacy password. Open private folders and protected apps to confirm access. Once confirmed, re-enable fingerprint or face unlock for convenience. Go to biometric settings and pair the biometric with your new privacy password. If things go wrong, for example verification codes don't arrive, restart the phone and retry, or reset your Vivo account password via account recovery. That usually resolves verification failures without needing a factory reset. Keep backups in case you must take more drastic steps.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.